The game mode in this video is called Snowball. It starts out as a free-for-all. Each person you shoot takes a knee and joins your team once tagged. At other fields, there are variations of this game such as Infection, Mercenaries, and Blob. Keep in mind as you watch the video, you may see players get shot out. They may be getting revived, so they are calling their hits.
Okay, you're on my team now. What was metal I was hitting? What was that? Oh, I was hitting your gun. Oh my gosh, okay.
Most of them go over there.
Yeah, let's go that way. I was wondering because I thought I was hitting like a street sign or something. I was like, I didn't see anyone on that other side. I thought I saw one tan guy trying to hide earlier.
I know there was one guy that walked with her, but I'm not sure where.
Yeah, I was looking for him. That's why I was.
Yeah.
I thought that you would start going this way first. Okay. Oh, they all really went over that way.
So now we basically just got to try to get everybody on our team?
Yeah. We shoot other people and get them. Yeah, they would have came out by now out of here, unless they're just camping. Yeah, I see them moving on the west field.
What?
I see them moving on the west field.
That's the west, right?
No, the other one, the one at the open field. I see them all walking. You see them all walking around there?
Yeah.
Maybe we should get in this thing. Whoa. Watch it. You see where he's shooting from? Second story. Second story of the tower. Of that. Okay, keep an eye on that one. Let me look forward because now we're. And I can't get a good shot from here. No, did not get him, and now they alerted everyone this way. They're about to be surrounded.
Is that guy still right there?
Yeah. Watch it. Watch it. There's two people shooting at this side now. Okay, can't peek out.
Ooh, that's close.
Yeah. Okay, I got that guy, but he's across the river. Damn, I can't get to that guy to get him in our team. I just shot that guy.
You want to cover?
Hold on, is that guy in the tower still?
Yeah, he's still in there. I can come around this way.
Okay, yeah, come around that way.
Okay. What we got?
See where that thing landed.
That thing blew up right when you threw it.
Wait a minute, where did it hit?
It hit the wall in front of you.
Am I like dead from that, or does the wall protect me?
Where'd it blow up?
I have no idea.
On that side, going with that.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah, I'm dead.
Okay. Well, we're dead now. It.
Gee, that was loud.
Took 4 of them, but I finally got y'all.
Yeah.
I knew you threw one right here, but it didn't go off.
Nah,
Yeah.
that's cool. There's one guy in the North Fort. We got about 8 guys with us. Who kept shooting me in the arm?
Sorry.
He kept shooting me. I kept getting tagged back in, kept getting
The guy
shot.
with her?
No, he just tagged me just now.
Yeah, y'all are all back in.
Okay, so how many is all in your little blob now? How much is in our blob? Who?
Almost 10.
Okay, so there's someone in the tower then.
Yeah, we're working.
Okay.
The other one over there did.
Take your breather, man. Take your breather.
Okay. Let's work on the tower. There he is.
That one doesn't matter now. Only small bunches. Everybody in the fort, you eliminate S.T.A.G.
That was it. We got the fort.
So how many more people?
I don't know.
I know we got a good bit. How many you got in there?
I think he was just by himself.
Nah, I just saw 2 walk out.
There's 14 of us, so how many y'all got in the blob? Yeah, 1, 2,
Oh, back there.
Snowball, 1, 2.
We haven't checked the campground field.
Okay, so now we need to go and clear that out.
Campgrounds are off limits.
Everybody else know?
It is?
Yeah, it's
Y'all
only
got 7.
north, center, west.
Oh, that's
There's 7 more people still left.
Okay.
all right.
Speed course.
Yeah, so one group stay together and then 2 probes out front. That way, if the probes get shot, you know where they're coming from. You go retag.
I see I'm moving right there.
All right, got
Like way back there.
We'll do a quick grenade search.
And I can't see anything.
Right there. Now we see the other blob.
Is that grenade that went off in here still?
Oh, I'm not sure. There's a core right there. Right there.
Screen. That's what I'm after. That's my fort.
Okay.
My fort. It's a shame I had to throw off fort, you guys.
Yeah, actually, I think the second one got us.
Y'all tag each other back in.
No, I mean the ref was saying we were like we didn't know because it was on the outside of the wall, and I didn't know if there was this hard cover or not.
One of your nades landed right there. There's another on this corner.
I got all 4. I'm good. Thank you.
No. Big bunkers here, we are grenade inside. Little bunkers are 10 foot. If you're within that 10 foot radius on a small bunker, you should.
I need to move up one cover.
Yeah, I was happy.
Hey, I put some rounds over there, so I might have got them. Yeah, those two are ours now. So now there's these people in this over here to our left.
Hey, if you're hit, take a knee. Take the tag.
Wow.
Players hit.
Hit! Hit!
That plan looks like running to me.
Running.
Leave your buddies to die. Dude, that was probably the smoothest thing I've seen all day.
Okay.
What's the team? What's the team?
Okay.
Okay, we're still on the same team then.
Sweet, boy.
Alright, let's He's it.
Hey.
Remember, are those guys ours right there? With a white shirt? How about all these guys walking
white guy
in?
over here. Everybody on that side. Oh man.
Wait, those are our guys?
I got everybody.
Oh, he got everyone.
Everybody was over in the
Dude, I guess we were shooting at each other then.
Okay, then that should be it then.
1, 2, 3. How many of y'all got over there?
plenty.
Bro, I got lit up and I was out.
Just in case, bang, 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 bang. Just in case.
No, but we're still on.
Just in case. Bang, bang. I mean, second off, you ain't getting that many bang bang.
We're on the same team.
Yeah.
I was making sure. I'm tired. I was in.
Okay.
I hurt my knee.
Stand.
I shot them first.
You was slick though. He said, slide.
We're good? Okay. I think that was it.